다 참으로 소원이 각동되고 소원동은 류동은 zan동, zan동은 누동, 누동은 센동, 고비아기 그 따다 대기요. 그래서 이 따다 만드는 이 연습은 고비아기 그 영미고 말하잖아. 소원이 각동되고因为他旁边这个男性的，你看男女女的，其实都是那种嘛，都是旁边的。那落地我们要照顾那个有这个子，然后打仗看都这样的场合，反正在我说起是这样子，应该在那有没成的不行啊，这都那么细，马路地高了，那种那么细嘛，那细微高了，给我的研究了，我的这么大问题。양부 올라다시 파트고 아니 나기 지우쪽대 지속이 한배 갖고 나시 까면 깨싱싱이야 이와 역시 아니 이건 디가라 상계 여바미 이샵 태고 마까리요 상계 여바미 이벨라고 소다 디가 야슈요라 이게 하면 돼야 픽스다 롱다 믹바 아니 Today, 그래서 힉스가 힉스는 어떤 남시다 보니 이게가 야야야고 힉스야 인가다 야야야 지오야 상계와 미션 비평 가디야 대야 투투체 약평어야 투소로서 이 주대게 가스가스냐 지오다 마상가 이게 간기 몇도 남아시는 디가 마셔야 돼 in order to practice the transference of consciousness or Dharma, first of all you should sit straight. If you sit straight, the channels become straight, and when the channels are straight, then the wind energy can flow smoothly through the channels, and in this way the mind can be established in concentration properly. So sitting straight, you should visualize yourself or your body in the form of Vajravarahi, who is red in color, standing, and then you in the form of Vajravarahi, in the center of your body, visualize the central channel, which is called Avadhuti. The size of the central channel is like a medium-sized arrow. The upper end of the channel is at your crown, and the lower end is at your cigarette place, which is 4 inches below the navel. Then inside the central channel, at your heart level, visualize lotus with 4 petals. Red lotus with 4 petals, and in the center of the lotus visualize a ball of light, which is the size of which is like a pea size, and that ball of light is your own consciousness in the form of a ball of light, and that is the consciousness which is going to be transferred from this light to the next light at the time of death. So that is the consciousness which takes the rebirth. Now, the upper end of the central channel, which is at your crown, is open. It is like a window in the ceiling of the house. And this upper end, which is open, is blocked by the right big toe of the Amitabha, who is sitting above your crown, like sitting on a chair. And he is surrounded by all the gurus or lamas of the lineage of Dharma transmission. So, having visualized in this way, now when the consciousness is to transfer, there are 2 factors which are the wind energy and the visualization. So, by means of the wind energy and the visualization, with the help of the sound of hik, the consciousness has to be transferred. So, when His Holiness says hik for 7 7 times, you should visualize the ball of light lifting up through the central channel, and finally it touches the big toe of Buddha Amitabha. And then when His Holiness says Ka, the ball of light, which is your own consciousness, comes back to the lotus. And that's what we are going to repeat in order to practice.
下面法王开始进行这个破阿罗舍法的加持。那之前法王说，这个破阿法呢是属于大乘之法。那大乘的法呢，首先修法之前的动机是非常重要的。那以一个舍自我、以利他的心态来进行修正此法，才能够得到圆满样子。所以我们在接受这个破阿法的加持时，首先我们今天还是引领愿替一切众生来接受这次的破阿加持，才是最正确的一个动机。那在进行这个破阿接受加持之前的话呢，法王说，我们首先要了解这个破阿的这个历史。那这个破阿历史虽然很多，但主要今天我简短说一下，就是说这个破阿法的话呢，是属于一个佛传承从8世纪传过来的。那特别是传到这个直贡的法来。那直贡在各大教派里，那这个破阿法的话呢，它是有特别的传承加持的力量。那在整个藏地是非常有名的。那我们今天能够得到法王这样一个殊胜的加持破阿，是我们的一个荣幸啊。那在接受这个破阿法的时候，法王告诉我们，首先我们应该把我们的自身的话呢，不再是观为这种凡夫之身，而是应该把自身视为一个红色的金刚亥母。那这金刚亥母，我们可以感受整个身体的内部是一个空间，外面呈现就像一个气球一样。那它是一面二臂。它这个金刚亥母稍微不同一点是左脚是弯曲的，右脚是伸直的，跟我们平常有些大家看到可能不太一样。那整个观出这个金刚亥母以后呢，那中间我们观一个外蓝内红的这个一个中脉，那这个中脉的粗细的话呢，如箭杆般大小的样子。那法王讲说这个中脉的话呢，需要笔直又具有柔韧等各种的特殊的特点一样的人。那中脉的上端的话呢，一直到达我们头顶的泛穴。那中脉的下端的话，到我们脊下4寸处一样在这里，成为一个喇叭形态。那在上端的泛穴部也是相同的。那在我们的心间的话呢，中脉的一个结部，当时有一个4瓣的莲花。那这中间的话呢，有代表我们的意识一个白里透红的明点一样。那此明点的话呢，不是一种那种死气缠身的，而是代表了一种温润、滑动、流动、跳动，随时代表着我们的意识一样的人。所以，当法王在给予我们加持的这个黑嘎的时候，我们感受我们自己心间的这个代表意识的这个明点，随时的跳动。那随着法王的黑一直上来的时候，我们的心经的意识也随着一直上去，一直到我们头顶的上方。那我们头顶的泛穴的上方有阿弥陀佛的话呢，是一个坐姿的方式坐在我们头顶上方，而他的双脚的右脚的大拇指刚好压在我们的泛穴的上方。所以当法王感受这个黑嘎的时候的话，我们感受我们的意识当一直的升到这个泛穴的上方，接触到阿弥陀佛的这个拇指的上端，然后再往嘎的时候下到这个你心间的这个4瓣莲花上面，所以如是的观进行。那上方的话，阿弥陀上方围绕着我们传承的上师历代的上师一样。那主要您也可以观以是法王为主一样的。
人谈的看中间的工作呢，那个年黑绿的黑是呀钱，那3月我没想，他们吐什么的，南起的吐完钱，3月我一些他们吐什么，干是人家嘛，你干嘛好像，你干嘛钱的一点。 哼哼哼哼哼哼哼。你想不啦？酸的地，绿的地，就是拎得起，就是女的什么？双蛋举办这个，双蛋举办这个，才结果。